So this box cost me less than one salon visit, and it's actually going to last me months. I want you to see what's inside, and so I decided to show y'all my brand new Kleo Kolor nail kit that just arrived. So right on top here, it came with some pamphlets about like the compensation plan, some fun stickers, and then their mission. So that was cool to take a quick look at. I'm going to read through it closer later, but I wanted to go ahead and get into the fun stuff. So it came with 8 packs of nails, and I'm pretty sure that will be enough for me for like at least 4 months if I do one set every 2 weeks, because apparently they're supposed to last like 10 to 14 days. Okay, so what I was doing here is just reviewing the shades that they sent me. Let's see. So first it got classic red, and then let's see what else. City lights, and then moonstone is that third one. Those are going to be really pretty. And then next I got the remover. This is apparently the game changer for all of these nails. It's going to help take these really strong nails off without damaging my natural nails. The remover is useful for both the LED gel strips and the press-on nails. Of course, it came with cuticle pushers too. So yeah, I like how this bottle is shaped. It's got like a dropper thing, so it's not another brush you have to like maneuver with both hands. It's just, I think that's going to be like more simplified with using the hand you're dominant with and the one you're not dominant with. So see how that goes. Yeah, putting that away. Over here is the little clear cut scissors. These are to help you trim the LED gel nail strips so that you can cure them under your light and then file them into the shape you want. Here's a quick demonstration. Gotta be careful with them, not to be played with. But yeah, you just like trim off the excess, because these nail strips are going to be longer than your nail bed, so that they can be customized to your nail shape. But moving on, this is one of the press-on nail sets. It's one of the classic ones with the French tip. That's something in French. I don't know how to say it, but y'all see it. Okay, moving on to this next section, we've got 4 more sets of press-on gel nails. Super pretty, like a dark purple, natural flower one, and then there's like this one that has some animal print, and then a true nude color as well. And lastly, this is the little device that you'll use to secure the nails. This is an LED lamp that you just plug into like a USB port, and you follow the instructions in that book. And I've got to experiment with this myself, so that'll be part of my next video. I'll be testing out the nails myself because I've actually never used them. So please stick around, make sure to hit the follow button, and give this video a like so that you can be in the loop for when I actually post the first set of nails I'm going to try. Out of the ones you saw in this video, let me know what you think I should try first. It's very hard to make a decision, but I'm kind of leaning towards the press-ons, so let me know your thoughts.